Molweni. Namhlanje ndithi make ndivele malunga nento yaseGrahamstown kwi-National Arts Festival. We're still preparing. We're still preparing, you know. We're still preparing. But the biggest and the important part of our preparation is that ECPEC come on board. Basi assist financially. But still we don't have transportation and accommodation in our side. But for that council, ECPEC, thank you so much, guys. We know that siyasini challenge sometimes ngendlela like umzekelo esingazinotisanga xa sirongo because of pressure. Ipolice yatsho ukuthi Eastern Cape underdeveloped in terms of music, so therefore offices are charged. But indeed ECPEC come on board on my project this year. Thank you so much. But I'm still waiting for transportation and accommodation, all that stuff.